Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and hump day should be just about over. Yes, this is a double dose. This is for the commute home. All right, you all, check out this watch face. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got the watch face of the week. And yes, this is a double dose, and on top of it, it's for the commute home. Also, some of you all should be through with hump day anyway. For the rest of us, we're still humping it out. So with that being said, let's go ahead and kick off this review. This watch face is back glance watch face. I'm telling you, this guy is trying to bring the noise with this watch face. I'm loving it. Don't sleep on this one. Now, the name of the watch face is called Glance Pulse. As you can see in the center, you got a pulsing sensation going on. We're going to get with that in a second. In the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down a little bit. But the watch face on, I'm telling you, I love the design. I like where the developer was going with this watch face, and it looks good. Now, what I'm liking about it, at the top you got icons, your heart rate, miles walked or ran, and you also get that info in numbers as well. I thought that was a nice touch. Also in the center you get digital time. You also get your day and your date. You get your PM stamp, which I always love. And then down at the bottom you're going to get info on your steps and your calories burned. So I'm liking this. Now, this is interactive, so if I want to tap on my steps, I can go into my steps. Same thing for my heart rate, calories burned, things of that nature. And if I double tap on the time, I can customize the color. They got so many different colors and all that you all should check out, and I'm going to leave it on the one that I like best, which is this one. Now, also what I'm liking about this, if I double tap on the bezel down where the design is, I could customize the color of that as well, and they give you quite a few different colors. I like what the developer threw in on this one. This is truly a good look. I'm liking this one. But what I like about the watch face most is that pulsing sensation, and it represents your battery status. Now, right now it's yellow. It may not look yellow, but it is yellow, and it's letting you know that my battery is on low cell. Now, if it's in between 0 and 15%, then it would be red. Now, right now it's in between 16 and 55 being yellow, and at 56 to 100%, it's going to show green. This is definitely an awesome look. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if I'm by myself with this watch face, or do you think this is definitely a good look? All right, you all. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.